Every man wants to be respected, admired, and seen as someone of value. But what if you're unknowingly displaying behaviors that scream low value to everyone around you? In today's video, we're uncovering 10 signs that you might be a low-value man, and more importantly, how to turn it around. Stick around because recognizing these behaviors could be the first step to leveling up your life. Value isn't just about wealth, looks, or success. It's about the character you bring to every aspect of your life. Being a high-value man is about self-respect, confidence, and growth. But sometimes we fall into habits that lower our value without even realizing it. In this video, we'll break down 10 clear signs of a low-value man. This isn't about putting anyone down. It's about self-awareness and improvement. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to identify these traits and start building the life you deserve. A low-value man blames others for his problems. Whether it's his boss, parents, or even society, he refuses to take ownership of his situation. Why this is a problem. Blaming others makes you powerless. When you don't take responsibility, you give up control over your life and your ability to change it. People around you start seeing you as unreliable and unwilling to improve, which lowers their respect for you. What to do? Instead, take ownership of your life. Start small by acknowledging when you make a mistake. Instead of saying, "I failed because of them," say, "What could I have done differently?" This shift in mindset allows you to regain control and take action. A simple exercise. Write down 3 areas of your life you're unhappy with, whether it's your career, relationships, or personal habits. For each one, identify one thing you could do to start improving it. The key is focusing on what you can control, not external factors. A low-value man is content with mediocrity. He has no clear goals, no passion, and no drive to achieve more in life. Why this matters? Ambition is a sign of self-respect and vision. Without it, you stagnate, and stagnation breeds unhappiness. Ambition doesn't mean you have to aim for massive achievements right away. It's about constantly striving to be better than you were yesterday. What to do instead? Start by setting specific, measurable goals. For instance, if you're unhappy with your fitness, commit to exercising 3 times a week. If your job feels unfulfilling, research opportunities to develop new skills or pivot careers. Daily motivation. Tip. Write down your why. Why do you want to improve? Maybe it's for your family, your future, or your own happiness. Keeping this why in mind will keep you motivated when things get tough. A low-value man is always looking for approval from others. Whether it's through social media likes, compliments, or attention, his self-worth is tied to external validation. Why this is a problem. When you rely on others to feel good about yourself, you give them control over your emotions. This makes you appear insecure and needy. What to do instead? Develop internal validation. Set personal standards for yourself and take pride in meeting them. For example, if you want to get in shape, do it for your health and confidence, not for someone else's praise. Practical steps. Limit social media use. Spend time alone to understand what truly matters to you. Keep a journal where you celebrate personal wins, no matter how small. Low-value men shy away from difficult conversations. Whether it's addressing a problem at work, setting boundaries in relationships, or standing up for themselves, they avoid confrontation at all costs. Why this hurts you? Avoiding confrontation doesn't make problems go away. It often makes them worse. It also makes you seem weak and indecisive, traits that can erode trust and respect. How to fix it? Practice assertive communication. Assertiveness isn't about being aggressive. It's about standing your ground respectfully. For example, if a friend consistently cancels plans, say, "I value our time together. If you can't commit, let me know so I can adjust my schedule." Quick confidence booster. Before a difficult conversation, rehearse what you want to say. This will help you stay calm and articulate under pressure. Neglecting your appearance is a classic sign of low value. A man who doesn't care for himself sends a message that he doesn't value himself or the people around him. Why this matters? First impressions count. People often judge you within seconds of meeting you, and poor grooming can overshadow your other positive qualities. How to improve? Stick to a daily grooming routine. Dress appropriately for the occasion. Invest in a few versatile wardrobe staples like a well-fitted blazer or classic sneakers. Pro tip: skincare isn't just for women. Use a simple cleanser and moisturizer to keep your skin looking fresh and healthy. Living paycheck to paycheck with no plan for the future is a red flag. A low-value man spends impulsively, avoids budgeting, and has no financial goals. Why this holds you back? Money isn't everything, but financial stability gives you freedom and peace of mind. Poor financial habits lead to stress and limit your opportunities in life. What to do? Instead, start with a simple budget. Allocate your income to essentials, savings, and discretionary spending. Set a goal, like saving 3 months' worth of expenses, and work toward it consistently. Pro tip: if you struggle with overspending, implement a 24-hour rule. Wait a day before making any non-essential purchases. This gives you time to reflect on whether it's worth it. Frequent outbursts of anger, jealousy, or insecurity are telltale signs of low value. A man who can't control his emotions is seen as immature and unreliable. Why this is a problem? Emotional instability damages relationships and undermines your credibility. People want to be around someone who can handle life's challenges with composure. How to improve? Practice mindfulness and self-reflection. When you feel overwhelmed, take a step back and ask yourself, what's really triggering me? Over time, this practice helps you respond thoughtfully instead of reacting impulsively. Low-value men have a pessimistic outlook on life. They complain, criticize, and focus on problems instead of solutions. Why this hurts you? Negativity repels people. It also keeps you stuck in a victim mindset, which makes it harder to see opportunities or solutions. How to turn it around? Adopt a gratitude practice. Every evening, write down 3 things you're thankful for. This simple habit trains your brain to focus on positives instead of dwelling on negatives. Whether it's in relationships, work, or personal goals, low-value men avoid commitment. They fear failure, responsibility, or being tied down. Now, why is this a problem? Avoiding commitment keeps you stuck in a cycle of unfinished projects and shallow relationships. Commitment is where growth happens. It's what separates dreamers from achievers. So, what should you do instead? Start small. Commit to completing 1 book, 1 fitness program, or 1 project at work. Success in these small commitments will build your confidence for bigger ones. A low-value man lies, cheats, or manipulates to get what he wants. He breaks promises and avoids accountability. Why this is a deal breaker? Integrity is the foundation of trust. Without it, you'll struggle to build meaningful connections or achieve lasting success. How to fix it? Live by a code of ethics. If you make a promise, keep it. If you mess up, own it. Integrity isn't about being perfect, it's about being honest and reliable. Being a low-value man isn't a permanent state, it's a wake-up call. Recognizing these signs is the first step toward self-improvement. Every one of these traits can be changed with effort, awareness, and consistency. By taking responsibility for your life, setting goals, and living with integrity, you can become the high-value man you were meant to be. If you're serious about leveling up, check out my video on how to attract anyone easily. It's packed with tips to boost your confidence and social skills. Remember, growth takes time, but every step you take makes a difference. Start today and watch how your life transforms. Before we end, let's talk about why recognizing and addressing low-value traits is critical for your future. Many men go through life unaware of the behaviors that hold them back, and this lack of awareness creates a vicious cycle. Low-value behaviors don't just limit your relationships, they impact your career, self-esteem, and overall quality of life. The good news? You have the power to break free from this cycle. When you work on even one low-value trait, it creates a ripple effect across your life. For example, taking responsibility. This simple shift can boost your confidence, improve your work ethic, and earn you more respect. Building financial discipline. Becoming more financially stable reduces stress and gives you the freedom to pursue new opportunities. Improving grooming and hygiene. You'll feel better about yourself and leave a lasting impression on others. Every positive change feeds into the next, creating unstoppable momentum. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on becoming the best version of yourself. And check out my other video on how to stay masculine in a feminine world for more strategies to stand out and thrive in today's society. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.